What's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. Hey, I get asked all the time, what does my boat look like now? I don't know, it was like 2-3 years ago, man. I took this 1436 John boat and I put a casting deck and all that and made it kind of like a mini bass boat. And then, like, I don't even know if it was like 4 months later or something like that, some junkies came in and, man, stripped it and just cleaned it and jacked everything, man. It sucks. So I had to start all over. But yeah, I did get some upgrades and stuff to it, so I'm just gonna go around the boat real quick just so you guys can see it. Like I said, I do get people asking me all the time, you know, what it looks like now. And yeah, I'm still fishing out of it right here. So yeah, here it goes. Oh my God! Look at it! Bingo mode. This is the 5-inch one. Right. So this is one of my big upgrades, the Lowrance. It's the Elite. It's the 9 TI2. It's the 9-inch. I love this thing, man. I also got this motor guide. It is wireless, has a wireless foot pedal, and it also has a wireless remote. It's the XI5. Right here used to be the where the foot pedal used to go, but like I said, now I have a wireless, so I don't need to have the wire come. So what I did is I just made this a compartment just full of junk. There's the remote, just full of junk, pliers and stuff. Okay, the compartments, I don't know if these rods are kind of in the way here. The compartments still the same. As you can tell, this is, you know, they busted everything out, so I had to so I put different handles on there, and they're not locks anymore. I believe this was on there already, the little straps. That was on there. Oh, one thing, I did make a video about it though, but this right here. So I fish in a tiny boat bass club where it's electric motor only, but you still need a live well. So this is actually, I'm using it for storage right now because I haven't been fishing tournaments lately, but that is a live well. It is a live well. So then this is this will turn on the live well here. Let's see what else I got. I think I had to redo this. Like I said, it's been like 2 years already. Yeah, I had to redo these doors because they just broke it off and this thing got jacked up. But look, these are still the original locks, and I didn't have them locked, but yeah. Also got this 9.9 game fisher. This thing scoots it pretty fast. Like I said, my boat here is 1436. One question I get asked all the time, how sturdy is it? I will tell you that it only being, you know, like that thick, you know, 36 inches or whatever, or on the bottom 36 inches. But anyways, it can be, it can wobble a little bit if you're not careful, but I'm completely used to it so far. I even usually have a buddy in the back and they're standing right there, and they're usually comfortable as well. But yeah, that's it. I think the fastest I got this boat with this motor was, I think, 11 miles an hour. So that's it. Call it the SS Skimpy. Yes, sir. I'm actually gonna go out solo tomorrow. That being said, and I don't usually leave, well, I leave this, but it's I got it padlocked and stuff, but like the rod's definitely not, you know, all the stuff in the live well / storage. I usually take that out. The net, the seat, definitely the motor, definitely the Lowrance, and then all my gear and my rods. I put all that in the garage and stuff. I am getting up super early tomorrow, so I packed it up I made sure I packed everything up because I'm gonna be up super early, so yeah, I'm not worried about anybody coming to steal it today. So that's it. That's it. Right, guys, hopefully you like my my boat. You know, I am proud of it. You know, I put a lot of hard work in this thing, and so did my buddy Dave. Big shout out to Dave, man. He's the one who originally helped me build it all. But yeah, I love this little boat. You know, I get asked all the time, you know, why don't I have a big bass boat and all this? But you know what? This little guy, it gets me in all these little lakes, and man, I'm happy enough with it. There are some big lakes that I don't want to bring this little boat on, and I usually just hop on with a friend who has a big bass boat. But for me, now I'm telling you, this is perfect. All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks for watching. That guy Skimpy.